Hi, my name is Veronica. Welcome to the architecture studio. Here we have our briefing space and our lecture space as well. This is where the lectures for all the years would take place. Here we have a model making space. So this is where we would make all the models. We would prepare everything in the workshops and come here to assemble the models together, and then we would keep them on display so they can inspire all the other years. Welcome to our workshop. This is where we make all the models, and in this area in particular on the ground floor we work with wood and metal. So if you want to follow me around, there's loads of machinery. This is the main area where you can actually take all the pieces that you've produced with your machinery and assemble them together in a safe space. Here we are on the second floor of the workshops where the digital model making takes place. We can model everything on the computers and then it can get printed on the laser cutters where we can use the materials that we want and just laser cut everything really precisely. And if you follow me, we will get to the most interesting part of the second level of workshops, which is the 3D printers, when we can prepare everything, all the 3D models on the computers, and we can just 3D print them as if it was just a normal printer. Here we are at the end of the architecture studios too. I hope you enjoyed it. And just as a last take, please have a look at this great view that we have that is just summarizing everything that the architecture course is about, which is integrating the new and the old and the heritage. And we have everything right at our doorstep.